I spent my weekend on the mountains. First, I took a cable car up to the top. It was a beautiful ride, honestly, and no, I wasn't afraid. I trust the Swiss engineers to have built a solid construction. We flew over the cows until we reached the top, where there was a beautiful lake and nice views. But there was no time to waste. We decided to climb up even further. It was a very steep hike for almost 1.5 hours, but we took it very slowly. The views were amazing. We were so far up, we even found some snow before we continued to climb even higher. Until we finally reached our destination, the hotel where we were able to get a drink, something to eat, and relax, just enjoying the beautiful views. We have arrived at the Jochpass with a cold chilled drink and a nice place to spend the night.